I asked Mr. Bannis and Google at the beginning of a question which they had to finish, and then we asked students and teachers to guess which one said which. The phrase I gave both Mr. Bannis and Google is, if I ate. Response A is, if I ate snake meat, would I like it? And response B is, if I ate myself, would I be twice as big or disappear completely?
Eat myself would be Google, and snake meat would be Bannis.
Snake meat, Mr. Bannis. If I eat myself, Google.
If I ate myself, would I be twice as big or would I disappear completely? That is Mr. Bannis. That is not Mr.
I think Google said if I ate snake meat, would I like it? And Mr. Bannis said if I ate myself, would I be twice as big?
Mr. Bannis said if I ate snake meat, would I like it?
Mr. Bannis is from Dominica. They probably eat snakes there, but he might not have tried it, so I'm going to say Bannis is, if I eat snake meat, will I like it?
The phrase is, what happens if? Response A is, what happens if we find life on Mars? Response B, what happens if you drink blood?
I think Mars is Google and drink blood is Bannis.
Response number 1 was Mr. Bannis, and the second one was Google.
What happens if we find life on Mars would be Google, and then the other one is Mr. Bannis.
I think Mr. Bannis said what happens if we find life on Mars, and Google said what happens if we drink blood.
Bannis said, what happens if we find life on Mars?
I would hope Bannis wouldn't talk about drinking blood, but I'm going to go in the long shot and say that's Bannis's, is what happens if we drink blood.
What? Why would Google? Who would want to drink blood?
Somebody had way too much time on their hands.
Phrase number 3, what do I do if I? Response number 1, what do I do if I can't sleep? And then response number 2, what do I do if I was bitten by a brown recluse spider?
Oh, this is a hard one. Okay, so I would do sleep for Google and spider for Bannis.
Okay, what if I do if I can't sleep, Mr. Bannis? The spider one is Google.
Response B is Google, and response A is Mr. Bannis. The brown recluse one is Google.
Google, what do I do if I can't sleep? Mr. Bannis, what do I do if I was bitten by a spider?
Oh, that sounds more difficult. Say Bannis said, what do I do if I can't sleep?
Probably can't sleep would be Google. That's what I think.
That's correct.
I don't know what.
Thanks, AJ.
Is that?
That's it.